guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a spring wreath out of using a grapevine form. So I'm so excited to do this. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project or something like it. Most of this is going to be coming from the Dollar Tree. The wreath came from Old Time Pottery when I bought the other wreath that I did quite a while back. So let me show you, but this is the wreath that I purchased from Old Time Pottery, and I think it was like $4.50. At the time I purchased it, Walmart, they were completely out of the, I think this is a 16-inch wreath, I believe. And then the flowers, I just have a bunch and I don't really know which ones I'm going to be using. But here are some beautiful daisies that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I love pink and purple. I love creams too, but I think this is going to be really cute. And then I just have a bunch of different lilacs that I've picked up at Dollar Tree. And these are a little bit different than these, as you can see, but they're still called lilacs. But I just have a bunch of different colors. And then I have a little bit of this baby's breath from Dollar Tree. And then I have two of these flowers that I bought at Big Lots. You actually got a whole bunch like this for, I don't remember how much it was. It wasn't a lot. I think it was like $7. I'm not sure because I remember, oh, here's the tag. Okay, $9. Big Lots, $9. But you get more flowers than just 9. So I have some white. I would prefer a cream, but I didn't have any. And then I have these that are kind of a peachy pink, real pink. So, and then you'll need a glue gun. So let's put this down and start making this wreath. I'm so excited. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is just cut some of these stems. And I'm just gonna put them down in here and try to get them symmetrical. I think I need something longer over here. Okay. Okay, I think that looks pretty even. All right, and then I'm going to go switch colors. I think I'm going to take some of these. I don't want this wreath to be really busy. I'm just gonna, and I'm not gonna put it all around, and I'm just sticking it down in this grapevine. But I don't want it really, really busy. I just want something that looks happy and springy. Okay, and let's see, maybe, let's look. I'll take a little bit of this because it's a different color. But you totally adjust this to your decor, whatever your decor is. I'm trying to find ones that are alike so that when I put it on here, it matches better. And you can see that's already what we're getting, and it's very pretty, okay? This is so simple. To me, and it's not going to be perfect because nature isn't perfect. I say that all the time, but it's so true. I'm thinking about putting these down in the center, so I want something else coming down here. I don't want it real busy, like I said. I just want something that is just happy and light and airy. I'm liking that pretty well. Let's see these. I haven't put these in yet. I could just, nah. And you can bend these so that they'll stand up so you can see the face, because that one didn't want to stand up. Try to go right over here, right across from it, and put this one in. And bend it forward some. That's not bad, that looks pretty good. And that will bring in some of my pink. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this white one in the center. I'm gonna try to stick it down in there. I may have to glue it, I don't know. We'll see. Try to find out. Okay. I could just cut that off a little bit under here. And then I can put, I think I'm gonna have to glue those in though. Okay, let me glue these in. And we are almost done. I don't think I'm even gonna put any ribbon on this. I just want it simple. And then I'll put this one on, and we are almost done. It's so simple to make these wreaths, and they're so expensive out. I mean, if you would see this anywhere else, you'd pay a lot of money. And sometimes I don't even like what I see when I go out. And then if I do, it's a fortune. And I just think it's silly to pay all that when you can make it. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of something right here because this side doesn't look as full to me as the other side does. So let's see what we can do here. We might take one of these and just stick that right there, and then we'll do the same thing over here. Just always try to make it as symmetrical as you can. And this one needs to come over here. I think that's really pretty. Push this down in a little bit more. Okay, let me raise this and we are done. You could put a ribbon on this and it would be beautiful. I think that's gorgeous. Let me move this so you can see. Okay, I've changed my mind. I am gonna do a bow. This is just the burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I just pulled some out as far as I think I want it, and I'm gonna make, I just want a simple little bow. I don't want a funky bow, I don't want anything like that. Make sure that you think you're getting the bow as big as you need for your wreath, and you just come back, you bend it down, and then you just come back on itself, and then you hold it up there to make sure, and that is what I want. Now I'm going to leave enough for a tail. I want a tail, probably about that long. So I'm just going to cut this off right here. Going to smoosh this right in the center. And I'm just going to add this right here in the back. And then I'm going to take this, because it's a real light lavender. I'm going to pull it around. And the trick is to really make sure you get this in the center of this big bow or it won't look right. Okay, then bring it to the back and twist it really, really taut, okay? Then all I gotta do is just stick this through here. Okay, all I did was just stick it through, and now I'm just gonna twist it back here at the back. To hold it. Then all I have to do is just cut this in two, chevron my ends. Well, I'm really not going to chevron. I'm just going to cut them like at angles. Okay, that just looks like a little farmhouse simple bow. Okay guys, here it is. It's the finished wreath. I think it's adorable. It just looks simple, elegant, and fresh, very spring-like. And I do believe with that burlap bow, it gives it a farmhouse feel and a Tuscan vibe. So I really love that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.